So, right. Being in the real estate fields, I have had the opportunity to acquire properties and make offers on properties. We don't have the time here because the book will detail a lot, but there was one that a brethren asked me about Amazura because they know that back in the days when it was Trafalgar Square, I made an offer on it and bought it and I had the deed and everything, right? Remember, it was Trafalgar Square, and at this time, some Jamaican did own it, right? The Metropolitan Corporation or something they call the company. And there was a Jamaican man who lent them the mortgage on it named Mr. Binger. He used to live in the Rockaways, right? So Mr. Binger foreclosed on it, you know, and then he sold me the deed, you know. And you know, we negotiated terms and things, and him give me like 30 days to pay him the rest of the money. I give him a down payment, pay him the rest of the money. So I went to my Jewish lender friends in Brooklyn, and them say, yeah, Rowan, we work with you on this. This look like a good deal. I talk about Trafalgar Square. It wasn't Amazura then, right? And him said, just get me an appraiser, right? So I called one of my brethren appraiser. He was one of only maybe 3 black appraiser in the business in New York, right? Young youth like me named Dorier appraiser, right? Dorier. And him come and me I say, you know, how much for do? It's a commercial. Him say, $1,500 to do it. You know, them days are $200 for a residential, one family. Him say $1,500. I say, okay, let's do it. I say, would you be willing to take the $1,500 at the closing? Because we're ready to close. I just need that. Him say, you know, Ron, I work with you all the time because we do that. Him say, but because it's a big commercial and I have to do preliminary work and research, give me 50% at the door and I take the other 50% at the closing. And I say, we have a deal, that's it. So we meet up there. So I call Mr. Binger, the owner, and I say, I need to get access to get an appraiser so we can close swiftly. And him say, okay, now I gotta have somebody there to let you in. So when we get there, yeah, I see some people inside and the door open, you know. And I go in and the appraiser follow me. So when I go in, you know, 3 Indian men, I see them like them have built a stage, right? So them I say, what me there for? I say, Mr. Binger sent me to do an appraiser. Him say, well, we don't know about no appraiser. So we can't let you do no appraisal. I say, here is my deed. It's my building. And I want to do an appraisal. So 3 of them circle around me. One take up a hammer and them circle around me. And I say, you can't do no appraisal. I'm stand my ground still, you know. But the appraiser run out. Right? And them alone in the 3 Indian man, you know. I don't know if it was Guyana or Trinidad, but most of it was Guyana. And them surround me with them hammer and them thing there, and him there at the door come and I say, come man, just leave it. You have your deed, just go file your deed. You know what I say? You don't have to fight with them. Right? And that's what happened. I go up at the county clerk and file my deed. So as much as you see them change it and call it Amazura, in a short time I will be auditing them and I will be going my people with my lien on them. There's a lien on it. I know them can't sell it. You understand? So people will ask, so why you sit down and just hold your arm and wait? Because this is the time of drawing and my crook kick me out now. So you hear me I call other name in the entertainment where there's whole heap in the real estate world to call. Winton Shillingford, who was the first black mortgage banker in New York, first funding. Him know about it because he was in Virgin. You know, and him helped me negotiate it with Mr. Binger, right? So you see Amazura run there and do all these big shows and Ray. Listen, I have audit on a rated couple. No, I won't deal with, I get to find out. You see? Because I said this to the auditors and the actuaries and the accountants are coming. Amazura, Trafalgar Square. Our interest.
That's what they
so last year I know.
Trafalgar Square?
No, it originally was Trafalgar Square, but it's now the infamous Amazura.